Let's learn together about clouds. Did you know that there are 4 main types of clouds? Let's learn them together. This is a nimboform cloud. Can you say nimboform? Nimboforms are big and thick and kind of gray. They're rain clouds. So this is a nimboform cloud. This is a cirroform cloud. Can you say cirroform? Cirroform clouds are kind of wispy or curly. Yeah, they're like little thin strands. This is a cumuloform cloud. Can you say cumuloform? Yeah, cumuloform clouds are puffy and white. And this is a stratoform cloud. Can you say stratoform? Stratoform are like layers. Do you see the layers in the clouds? Yeah, those are the 4 main types of clouds. Nimboform, cumuloform, cirroform, and stratoform. Can you point to where the nimboform cloud is? And the cumuloform cloud? Where's the cirroform cloud? And the stratoform cloud? Can you point to the cumuloform cloud? And the nimboform cloud? And the stratoform cloud? And the cirroform cloud? All right. I'm moving them to different spots. Let's see if you can tell me where they are now. Where is the cumuloform cloud? And the cirroform cloud? Can you point to the stratoform cloud? Where is the nimboform cloud? Can you point to the cirroform cloud? And the nimboform cloud? And the cumuloform cloud? And the stratoform cloud? All right. There's just one cloud here. What kind of cloud is this? This is cirroform. Cirroform, remember the thin, wispy clouds. What kind of a cloud is this? Nimboform, the big, thick, gray clouds. Nimboform. What kind of a cloud is this? Cumuloform. A cumuloform cloud is puffy and white. And what kind of cloud is this? Stratoform. Stratoform clouds are like layers. Let's try a sorting activity with all these different types of clouds. Okay, I have space for nimboform, cumuloform, cirroform, and stratoform clouds. Let's see if you can sort these pictures of clouds into those 4 types. What kind of a cloud is this? Yeah, it's a nimboform cloud, so we'll put it with the nimboform. What kind of a cloud is this? Stratoform, right, those layered clouds. What kind of a cloud is this? Cumuloform, the white puffy kind. We'll put it in that category. And what kind of a cloud is this? Cirroform, so we'll put it here with the thin, wispy clouds. All right, what kind of a cloud is this? Stratoform, so we'll put it there. And what kind of a cloud is this? Nimboform, we'll put it with those dark rain clouds. What kind of a cloud is this? Cirroform, so we'll put it with those thin, wispy clouds. And this one? Yeah, cumuloform. Thanks for coming to learn all about the different kinds of clouds with me. Remember, clouds have 4 main types, like nimboform, Right, those dark rain clouds. And cumuloform, the puffy white ones. And stratoform, the ones that kind of look like layers. And cirroform, the thin, wispy ones. I hope you enjoyed learning about clouds with me. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye!